great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do?
Hello guys, how are you doing today? I just wrapped up a busy work day and all I've been thinking about today is pumpkin bread. So I marched myself in that kitchen as soon as I wrapped up my day of work and whipped me up a quick pumpkin bread. So it's baking in the oven, and the recipe that I used, I will link it in the description box. I've used it before and I absolutely love this recipe. I think it turns out great. So I'm just here just chilling, waiting for the pumpkin bread to be done so I can cut me a piece and throw myself on the couch and Netflix, since I have nothing to do this evening. And I absolutely love evenings like this where I can just be lazy and not do much. I don't get evenings like this that often, so I'm soaking it all in. But tomorrow I'm excited because I will be having a little girls' night. I'm going out with my friend. We're going to a concert. We're gonna go eat some seafood, which if you know me, you know me. I absolutely love seafood. I think I could live off the sea seriously. Like, love me some seafood. So we're gonna have a fun night tomorrow and I'm looking forward to it. So I'm only gonna work like a half a day at work. That way I can get a head start to my day and I don't feel rushed and just enjoy the night with my friend. So I'm gonna just sit out here a little bit longer and just kind of count the minutes until the bread is done. So see you in a bit.
You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love.
I'm not sure if you guys can hear the roosters crowing, but they're telling us it's time to wake up. I just wanted to pop my head out here early in the morning to see how cold it was, and it's pretty cold, but at the same time it feels so good. I love this time of the year. Happy Wednesday. We made it to the midweek and I couldn't be more excited. I just finished eating breakfast. I never wake up this early in the morning and I'm hungry. I normally eat breakfast about within the 10 o'clock hour, but I always have a cup of coffee first thing when I wake up and I haven't had my coffee yet. So I'm gonna make my coffee so that way I can walk my way to the office and start my work day. But I only have a half day today because I have a concert to go to tonight, and my friend and I are going to go have some dinner before the concert and just have a fun girls' night. So I'm so excited about that. But let me make this coffee now before I forget, and then I need to go log on for work and I don't have time to do anything. So let me make some coffee real quick and then we'll get to chatting. All right, guys, I'm back. And of course, coffee in hand. I don't know about you, but like, if I don't have coffee, it throws me off. It's like part of my morning routine. And it's just something about that warm cup of coffee that just makes my morning just a little bit extra special. So, but yeah, like I mentioned earlier before, I think I've mentioned it a few times, and I'm going to a concert, and I haven't told you guys where I'm going. I'm going to go see Post Malone, and I'm excited because I love him. So like I said, I'm going to work for a few hours, and then I'm going to pack an overnight bag because ever since I moved out here to the countryside, I live a little further out. And I don't want to drive home so late at night. So I'm going to stay at my friend's house tonight and then just head back here early in the morning so I can start logging on for work and, you know, get all the work stuff done. But yeah, so I'm looking forward to it. And then we're going to go have dinner before we go to the concert. And I said, all I want is seafood. So it's going to be a fun evening. But yeah, so I am going to finish my cup of coffee, log on for work, and then I will catch up with you guys later. Hi guys, we are on our way to go eat dinner tonight and then head over to the concert and have a wonderful evening. And of course I'm going to take you guys with me, so we're about to go get some seats and go fill our bellies.
I want to tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless.